Let's see how we can install BeautifulSoup in Jupyter Notebook and how we can create a project for BeautifulSoup. First, we will create a kernel and we will install BeautifulSoup in that kernel, and we will use that kernel to create our Jupyter Notebook. So if I click on new here, as you can see, I only have this default kernel. So first we will create a new kernel in which we will install BeautifulSoup. Create a new folder and let's call this BS project. And inside this project, hold shift and right click and you will see these options. Open PowerShell window. If you are on Windows 10 or older, you might see open command prompt here. You can click on this or open command prompt here. Both will work. Now let's create a virtual environment that we will use as our kernel. So to create a new virtual environment, the command is, and now you can name it anything you want. I'll call it VSVNV, and if I put it down here, as you can see, the virtual environment is created. Now this is an important step. We need to activate this virtual environment so we can install BeautifulSoup inside this. So to do that, just write this and then inside scripts we have activate. Now hit enter, and as you can see, BSVNV is shown in green. That means that this is activated. Now we can install BeautifulSoup inside this. So to do that, just type pip install BeautifulSoup. And as you can see, BeautifulSoup is now being downloaded and installed. So as it is showing, we are trying to install old version. You need to install BeautifulSoup 4. So let's do that. Let's install BeautifulSoup 4. And now as you can see, BeautifulSoup is installed. Now we need to use this as the kernel. But if I go to my Jupyter Notebook and I reload this and I click on new, I will still be not shown that kernel because we have not installed IPYKernel in it yet. So let's go back to my terminal here and let's install pip install IPYKernel. Hit enter and IPYKernel is installed. But just installing IPYKernel is not enough. We need to set up IPYKernel so that it can be used as our Jupyter Notebook kernel. So to do that, you need to type this command. Now here you need to put any name that you want for your kernel. So I'll just call it BSKERNEL. Hit enter. So the command was wrong. There's an error. The command is install. I missed the install. Hit enter and now your IPYKernel will be installed. And now IPYKernel is set up, and now we can use this kernel in Jupyter Notebook and it has BeautifulSoup installed. So if I go here and reload using Ctrl R, I click here, as you can see, BS kernel is now available. Now click on this and BS kernel will be running. Now in this notebook, you can use BeautifulSoup and scrape web pages. So let me just paste a sample code here. So I'm importing BS4 from BeautifulSoup and let's try to run this. Okay, I have to install requests also. So I will just install requests in this virtual environment quickly. So as you can see, whatever packages you need to install, you first need to activate this virtual environment and then install it, and it will be installed in your kernel. Now I can run this again. And as you can see, our headlines are printed from this Wikipedia page. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.